You know what I'm saying? Kelly can get paid. That's why. Like, bam. Take this hoe out. Oh. Ew. Bro, like, look at this. So the boat broke off for the grommet right here, bro. So now I gotta figure that out. So I got this screw back out. Alright, so the top bracket piece was bent up here. I tried to make it work. I couldn't make it work, so we got a new one on the way. I kind of missed it at the beginning. It is what it is. I'm going to slap the hood on here, and I'm going to put the fender liner back on here, and probably build the bumper, and then that'd be it for today. So yeah. Alright, y'all. So I'm back. I got the headlights on. Yeah. Got the hood on now. I gotta get ready to pop the fender liner back on here. Look. That fender liner is all on. Now I just gotta put the tire back on and go to the other side, and then we're done for the day. Got the rocket motor down here, and I gotta replace that weather strip. Yeah, so we got one come in. So we got this all on here. This is good to go. So now we can slap the bumper on there and send her to the detail bay.